Christopher Bacon, Vice President, J&B Installations, located in Indianapolis Falls, New York. Commercial industrial roofing contractor servicing all of upstate New York. We're at Upstate Medical University computer warehouse project right now. We're getting to the finishing touches of this project. We've been here for a few months now. This machine here is a Magni 7.26, 84-foot reach, 15,500 pound capacity. We've rented it numerous times in the past. Last year, we found out about these Magni lifts and we decided to entertain renting a couple of these Magni lifts on a couple projects. My operators absolutely love them. They're easy to operate, easy to set up. Their maneuverability is excellent. So we ended up in turn selling our crane, and now we just have the Magni lifts on 2 or 3 sites right now. We use the Magni lifts for basically accessing the roof with materials, safety, equipment, getting debris on and off the roof, getting materials up to the roof, getting tools up to the roof, equipment up to the roof. All our safety railing and everything needs to get up to the roof, and all the debris from tear-offs. I feel like the Magni lift is definitely easier for us to deal with and to set up and use on each and every project we need one on, rather than operating a crane. These are our own employees, certified and trained in forklift operation, and they're able to run these Magni lifts. Takes the crane right out of the picture, which is excellent benefit for us using our own people to do it. They reach a lot more. They're more versatile. They can spin around and grab materials from different locations. They're definitely worth the money. As long as we figure them into the bid, it's no more than renting a crane or a crane service to come in and do it. The Magni lift definitely does save us time and money. I believe the Magni lift actually helps us be safer when we have the Magni on site. Our own people are doing it and they know our safety factor is 0 tolerance. Everything has to be 100% safe. I know the LMI system inside these Magni lifts, the guys really do love them. It gives them ease of mind. They can watch everything that they're doing. It makes them feel a lot safer and they know right where they are at all times. And Empire Crane out of North Syracuse here in New York is the dealer for the Magni lifts in our local area. And we got talking about renting them out and not using our crane, which in turn was a huge benefit to us. Their customer service, their response time, I've never not had a phone call returned or answered on the first time I tried calling them. They're excellent to work with. Customer satisfaction is second to none. The top 3 things that I think are the most benefit to us is the reach capacity of it, the amount of weight we can pick at those elevated surfaces, and the cost. The Magni lifts have changed our company in the past 2 years to be better, more efficient, making more dollars in the end of the day. Instead of renting cranes and getting slow production, we're doing a lot better off renting these. We're really thinking of purchasing 1 or 2 of these right now. We've been using them all summer long, and last year we used them all year also. The Magni is second to none